So surface area and volume is a topic based on common sense. If you will apply your common sense, you are easy to solve all the kinds of questions that you will face.
Yeah. Surface.
Okay, so there are two kinds of topics, two kind of shapes. So one kind of shape is, suppose we go in the two dimension. So in the two dimension, uh, suppose we start from a very basic shape. Can you tell me what shape is this?
That's a square.
Square. So if I ask you what is the surface area of this square, so that means suppose this is 2, so this is also 2, because for a square the length and breadth are same only. So the area will be 2 into 2. So it is going to be 2 square. Alright. Suppose I make a rectangle, then there is another shape which is a rectangle. Suppose this is 4, this is 3. What could be the area of this?
1 times width.
Length times breadth, that is 12. Now suppose you have a triangle. So in triangle, suppose that this is height, okay, and height is given as 4 units, and this is base, base is given as 5 units. So what is the area of a triangle?
Oh, that you would just do A equals 1/2 times B, base times height.
Base times height. You remember this formula?
Huh?
You
yeah,
remember?
that's 10.
Okay,
But
wonderful.
yeah, I'm familiar with the formula.
Okay, wonderful. Then you might have a shape known as circle.
Yeah.
Okay. Then you might be having a shape as circle. In that, suppose it is given, the radius is given as 7 units. So what will be the area of a circle? You know the
We just
formula?
do 3.14 times 7 squared.
Wonderful. So it is pi r square.
Yeah.
You know how this formula came?
No.
You know how the
Like-
formula of a square has came?
Like how? No.
How side square is? Okay, so try to understand what is area actually. So area is the region bounded in a any uh, any, you can say, any closed figure. If you are having a closed figure, the portion, the region which is bounded inside a closed figure is known as area. All right. Now let us start with this square. Suppose somebody says that let us say this is 4 and this is 4. So why the area is 4 into 4? You have to understand that. To make you understand that, I am going to paint this figure. Okay, what I am going to do, I am going to paint this figure. So when I am going to paint this figure, see how I am going to paint. So I will start from here. I will start from here. I will go in this direction. I am going. So can you tell me how much I have painted? 4 units. 4 units. All right. But is it fully painted? No. So again I will start from the next line. Again I will start from the next line. Again I will start from the next line. So you see that 4 is being continuously adding. Can you see that?
Yeah.
I'm painting 4, 4, 4. So try to understand this. I am painting 4 parts. Then again some part, because we don't know this breadth, and we are doing this how many times? 4 times.
4.
So the area is 4 into 4. So if it is side, this is also side, so side into side. Alright?
Yeah.
For
Got it.
rectangle, the same logic will apply. So suppose this is length. So length is being painted how many times? Breadth times.
Yeah.
Length is painted breadth times. So the formula is length into breadth. Coming to the triangle. Coming to the triangle. So if I make a copy of this triangle, okay, for triangle it's very easy. Triangle is formed from a rectangle only. Let me show you. Suppose that this is a rectangle. So if I break this rectangle into two equal parts, say this. So this is one part and this is another part. Can you see both the parts are congruent?
No? What?
Congruent. See, this part is being divided into two halves. Can you see that?
Yeah.
Both the parts are equal only. If I take out this part and superimpose on this part, you will see that both are equal only. Can you see?
Yeah.
So that means the same area which was earlier how much? Suppose this is B and this is L. So the area which was L into B is now divided into two parts. So half into L into B. Are you getting it?
Yeah.
So half into L into B is this part and half into L into B will be this part. So if you are going to find the area of a triangle only, let us suppose that this triangle only you are finding. So this area will be how much? So half into, so L has become B. So B has become height and this has become B. So the area is half into base into height. So area of a triangle, the formula for area of a triangle gets from area of rectangle only. You have to do half the area of a rectangle. Alright.
Okay.
Then coming to area of a triangle. Sorry, area of a circle now. So circle can be formed. Let us suppose that can you see this? So this is a triangle. Okay, I am just closing it. Very close triangle. Can you see this triangle?
Yeah.
The base is very less. So it looks like it is almost right angle triangle only. Okay. So now see what will happen. I am making a copy of it. Again I am making a copy of it. You just have a focus here or you will miss out the animation. See, I am just making a copy of that particular first triangle only. Can you see that?
Yeah.
Can you see the shape that is being forming?
Yeah. Right. Triangle.
No, it is becoming a circle.
Oh yeah, that's like that's like 1/4 of a circle, or like part of a circle.
Yes. So you will see a circle is formed from a. Today you will see that a circle can be formed from triangle also. So you can see I started with a triangle only and just putting a next triangle, keep on going like this. I made a circle. Okay. So suppose again I start with a very basic triangle. So what is the area of this triangle? Can you tell me? It is going to be half into base into height is what? Height is the radius. Can you see the height is the radius of a circle?
Yeah.
How many triangles I have made? I have made lot many triangles. So sum of all the triangles will be the area of this circle only. So if I am keeping one more triangle in just next to this, so another base, so that means I have to calculate this whole perimeter. And this whole perimeter is how much? It is 2 pi r. What is the perimeter circumference of a circle? It is 2 pi r. So 2 pi r into r. So 2 and 2 will get cancelled out. So the formula is pi r square. And pi is the value which you said 3.14. Alright?
Yeah.
Are you getting this?
Mm-hmm.
Then you have a shape like this. What is this shape? Trapezoid. This shape is known as trapezoid.
Oh yeah, trapezoid.
Trapezoid, okay? So if you join these two lines, so let us suppose that this we are having this height. So this is, let us say, base 1. This is base 2. So what is going to be the area of this particular region? So we have broken down into one triangle. So it is half into b1 into height. And then for the another region, it is going to be half into b2 into height. So what will be the total area? So you can take half and h common, in bracket you will have b1 plus b2. So this is the formula for trapezoid. Are you getting it?
Yeah. Yeah.
Now the question that you have shown me has multiple, you can say, okay, just give me 1 minute. Let us take this question. So how you approach towards this question? How you are going to do this? Tell me. Any idea?
Yeah, so like we kind of divide it into different shapes. So
Wonderful.
that's a semicircle, then two rectangles.
So you will draw a line from here.
Yeah.
So this is semicircle.
Yeah.
So the area will be 3.14 into 7, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
But yeah.
Then you can join this as well. So plus, what will be the area for this? This is a rectangle. So it will be 6 into 3.
Yeah.
Then this is also a rectangle. So which is 10 into 3 plus 10 into 3. So I hope you can solve this and you can find the area.
Huh?
Then you can add this, solve individually and add the area. That's the area.
Yeah.
Any
That's
doubt?
how you do it. Huh?
So send me the questions which you are not able to understand how to do it. This you understood?
Yeah, I know that.
Okay. Then what you don't know? Tell me that.
Okay, wait, let me find it real quick then.
Yeah.
Because I sent you like the important ones. Let me find the ones.
So I am just watching that all the figures are 2-dimension only. Suppose you want some advanced questions, I have some advanced questions with me as well. So can you see these type of questions?
I mean, we're not gonna get that in the test because that's like a little more advanced. Like we'll get the cylinder and
You have a cylinder with you?
huh?
You have the questions belonging cylinder as well?
Yeah, they ask us that.
Okay, so do you know what is the area of a cylinder?
Yeah, it's like wait, area?
Yeah, curved surface area. So every three dimension shape has got two kind of area. One is known as curved surface area or lateral surface area,
Yeah.
and one is known as total surface area. So from two dimension to three dimension, if you see from two dimension to three dimension, you will have one more thing, that is height. Okay.
Yeah.
So suppose this is a circle and I am going to paint this circle. So how much I have painted? Can you tell me? 2 pi r.
The
I
yeah.
painted 2 pi r. Again I am going to paint 2 pi r. Again I will paint 2 pi r, 2 pi r, 2 pi r, 2 pi r. So up to how much I will paint? So I will paint up to height. So the
Yeah.
formula is 2 pi r h. What is the formula?
2 pi r
H.
h.
This is the for curved surface area. Now suppose somebody asks what is the total surface area. So for total surface area you have one circle above and one circle below. So the
Hmm.
formula will be 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r square.
Yeah.
So you will take 2 pi r common. In bracket you will have h plus r. Alright, this is
Yeah.
for cylinder. Now you might be having for cube as well.
Yeah. But cube like already kind of knew it. Can we go over like cone?
Cone, yes. Cone also we can go. So this is a cone.
Yeah.
In cone, so this length is known as height.
Hmm.
This length is known as r. And this length is known as L. L is the slant height. So if you
Yeah.
see that this is a right angle triangle, so it is forming a Pythagoras theorem. The Pythagoras theorem
Hmm.
in a right angle triangle says that the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the square of the base and height. So you will not, what you will not be given is this, you will not be given. You will be given radius and height. So you have to find this. So the formula for cone is CSA is pi r L. L is a slant height.
Yeah.
And if you want to find the total surface area, the formula will be pi r, in bracket you will have r plus L, because this area will also include the base area.
Yeah.
Okay.
For mine, it doesn't say TSA or CSA like in my formula sheet. It just says SA equals pi r squared plus pi r times slant height. Like I'll just send you this
I
sheet.
understood what you are saying. See here. So when they say surface area, they mean total surface area only. But tell me, Adit, if you have a cone which is not which is open from the bottom, then what will be the area? Then you will not use this
Like
formula.
yeah,
Then
we
you will
won't use
use only
the
pi
circle.
RL. So that common sense you have to apply. So I am writing TSA means your formula is surface area only. This is the actual surface area, total surface area. TSA
Yeah.
means total surface area. So SA means surface area. Understood? Surface area means they are not
Uh,
talking about a specific surface area, but whatever is given in the question, according to that you have to find the answer. Understood?
Yeah. Yeah. Thank you.
So let us take some examples on axle. So first we will go with the cone only, because I think that most of the students are scared from cone only. So surface area of sphere, surface area of prism and cylinder, surface area of pyramid and cones. Okay. So first they are asking the lateral area. So find the lateral area of a cone. So this is 4, this is 7. Can you tell me what will be the lateral area of the cone? How you are going to find this? Tell me.
Wait. Also, real quick, what does lateral mean? Like,
Lateral
just the,
means suppose you go to a tree, you want to hug that tree. So how you will do?
it's like,
All
yeah.
this area, all this area. Apart from top and bottom, if you take all other area, sidewise area. So in your house, you go to the, you see the all the walls. So how many walls you have in your house? 4 walls. So that
Mhm.
is lateral surface area. So in the lateral surface area, if we include top and bottom, it will become total surface area. Lateral means
Yeah.
sideways.
Yeah.
Let me show you. I think I've got a better simulation. Okay. So can you see that what is this? Circle. So with the center vertex, I am increasing this height.
Yeah.
So when I am increasing the height, so it has become cone. Are you getting it?
Yeah.
Now if I expand this, if I cut it, you will see that this is the shape of a cone actually. So this is the bottom one. This is the bottom one. So what is the area of this? This is pi r square.
Yeah.
What is
And,
the area of this? So area of
uh,
this is pi r l.
oh,
What is the area of
pi,
this? Pi
pi r l. Wait,
l.
like, that's kind of like a triangle though. Wow. I thought it would be like
Hmm?
the the top shape. It looks kind of like a triangle. The
Yeah,
shape isn't.
it
I
looks
thought it
like
would be like,
no. It looks like a triangle, but it is a curved triangle.
yeah.
It is a curved triangle. Okay, let me show you for other as well. See, what is this shape? This is a square, let us say. If I increase with the same height, it will become a cube. Now, if you expand this, you will find that there are 6 basic different triangles. Can you see that? 1, 2,
Hmm.
3, 4, 5, 6. So if
Yeah.
each is a square, if each part is a square, the area will be a square, a square, a square, a square, a square, a square. So the total area will be 6a square. But if I ask you what is the lateral surface area, it will be 4a square. Lateral means 4 walls, the sideways. Okay?
Yeah.
Then what else shape you want for cylinder? What is this? Circle. So if I
Yeah.
bring a height to the circle, it will become cylinder. So it comprises of 3 shapes, 2 circles and 1 rectangle. You see?
Yeah. It's like a curve. Yeah.
So 2 circles and a rectangle. So rectangle is how much? Rectangle is length into breadth. So this is height and this is 2 pi r. So this portion is what? Lateral surface area, the sideways. And
Yeah.
if you include the top and bottom area, it will become the total surface area. So the formula that they have given you for surface area is actually the total surface area. But in the question, they won't ask you, so they will ask you what is the surface area only. But if they will give you, okay, we are going to paint only the side part, or the tank is open from the top, or it is fixed at the bottom. So you have to understand by yourself whether what part I am going to paint, what is the region where I am going to grow the grass. So all the questions involving growing of grass, doing of paint, or some wallpaper, all this require area only. Where you are going to fill something, air, how much air is there, how much water is there, how much liquid can be put into. So that particular thing will be under volume. All right.
Yeah. Real quick, can I use the bathroom?
Yes. And if you have any questions, you can share the questions with me.
Okay. Do you have any other questions? Oh, no. That's about it. He just covered like how we just do it. Look at it.
So what he can do is, sir, he can watch the video after the class as well. There also he will get to
Yeah.
see lot many practice questions are there in
Yeah,
Excel
yeah.
itself.
I think this will help him.
Yeah, this will only help him, sir, because immediately he will get to understand whether I am doing it right or wrong. They give you the right answer
Mm-hmm.
as well. How to do it? They will give you all the formulas. Suppose let us do this question. So the problem here will be the taking of pi value. So pi we take it as 3.14 into 7. I think here I should take 22 by 7. So this will be 88. So now this is a pyramid. So if you play the video, you will get all the formula in one place. So lateral surface area of pyramid and cones. So lateral
Oh,
surface area is always perimeter of base into slant height.
yeah.
You can see. So what is the slant height? 14. The base is 8. Can you see this? So
Yeah.
after the class,
So
yeah, tell me.
yeah, just to clarify, when it says cone, it says like pot uh the surface area equals pi r squared plus pi uh r times L. L is just slant height, right?
Slant height, yes. That can be
Is there
calculated.
anything
Uh,
wait, is there anything like that for any other of the shapes? Like
yeah, it is with all the shapes. See this. So let me tell you, there are basic 6 shapes. So the first shape is cube. Okay, so I'm typing all the formula LSA TSA. So this is 4a square, this is 6a square. Then the next shape is cuboid. So cuboid is 2 into L plus B into H. For total surface area, 2 into LB plus BH plus HL.
Huh?
Then
Oh,
the
that's how we do it for the school cuboid.
then cylinder.
Wait, what is it?
Yeah.
Oh, never mind. Wait, what is a cuboid? Is that like a rectangular?
Yeah, rectangular prism. You can say it is a rectangular prism.
Oh,
This one,
Okay,
right?
yeah,
I will show you if you want to see. See, this is cuboid.
yeah.
Now for cylinder, the lateral surface area of the curved surface area is what is the perimeter of a base of a cylinder? 2 pi r. So it's simple formula. 2 pi r base multiplied by height. Perimeter into height.
Oh, yeah.
And if you want to find the total area, it will be 2 pi r. In bracket you will have h plus r.
Yeah, but like all these formulas, they're kind of different to like my sheet that we use. But like yeah, they're just kind of different, but the way you like write it, because
Yes.
first,
Can you take a look at that sheet that I sent in WhatsApp?
Okay.
The last one.
Okay, let me check, sir. This one?
Yeah.
Okay. This one, right?
yeah,
So this is
the
two
width.
dimension only. So this is for two dimension. 2L plus 2W means perimeter is 2 times L plus breadth.
Mm-hmm.
Let me show you. So what is the perimeter? 2 times length. Perimeter means you have to go around all the fence. So how you will go? 2 times length. Length plus length, width plus width. So 2L plus 2W, area is L into width. Alright. For
Yeah,
this, you will go 4 sides. Side, 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 side. So 4 times side, area will be side into side, side square. For this, half into base into height, I have already explained to you. For circle,
yeah,
I told you 2 pi r is the circumference, area is pi r square.
yeah,
Sometimes you will be given the diameter. So in that case, you have to use pi d because 2 times radius is diameter. So in that case, you will use pi d. Alright.
yeah, yeah,
Then for parallelogram, it is base into height because parallelogram is made from two triangles. So one triangle is half into base into height. So two triangle is 2 times half into base into height. So the area will be base into height. This is half
yeah,
into base into height. For this, I told you half into base 1 plus base 2 into height. So if you divide it into two triangles, you will get the same formula, trapezoid. For this is a Pythagoras theorem. This is not area, this is Pythagoras theorem. A square plus b square is equal to c square, which is hypotenuse square. This is used to find the slant height of a cone. You will be
yeah,
given radius, you will be given h to find the slant height. You will use the formula. Now let us come to this cuboid. The volume is LWH. LWH means what? So I
Means
will
width
tell you
inside.
I will tell you a tip for all the formula. So you write down this tip. Volume of any shape, I'm telling any shape, is area of base multiplied by height. Okay. Then
Mm-hmm.
lateral surface area is perimeter of base multiplied by height. Then total surface area will be lateral surface area plus area of top and bottom. These are the three basic foundation formula that you can write, you can think, and you can derive the formula by yourself. All the formula you can derive by yourself. You don't need to mug it up the formula.
Yeah.
You can derive it. All right.
Yeah. Yeah.
Now see this. The cylinder. What is the volume? What is the base area? Can you tell me what is the area of the base?
Hmm?
What is the area
Oh,
of the base?
the area of the base would be pi r squared.
And what is the height? H.
What do you mean? Yeah, h.
So what will be the formula? See, area of the base into height. Pi r square h. Okay.
Yeah.
Now LSA. So what is the perimeter of a base? Can you tell me what is the perimeter of a base?
You just have to like add all the sides.
No, perimeter of base for circle it is 2 pi r.
Oh, yeah, that's circumference for a circle.
Yeah.
It's
So 2 pi r into h. That is the lateral surface area. Now you will have one top area as well and one bottom area as well. So top area and bottom area is how much? Pi r square, pi r square. So total area will be 2 pi r square. So 2 pi r square plus 2 pi r h. This is the surface area of cylinder. Understood?
fine. Yep.
Now coming to this. This is what? So this formula is used only in case of prism. Okay? Then you have a shape known as pyramid as well. In the pyramid, the same formula will be there just with the multiplication of factor 1 by 3. This is the only difference. So 1 by 3 into area of base multiplied by height. Okay, and I can give you the reason as well. So in this cylinder, how many cone can be fitted? 3 cones can be fitted. You might be thinking 2, but there are 3. If you take the cone, apply the water inside this, 3 cone will fill this water. There will be 3 cone which is required to fill this cylinder. So every volume is being calculated as 1/3 of area of base into height. This is the only difference. And for lateral surface area, instead of height, we used L, slant height. So you can see in this formula, so half into L into P. What is P? Perimeter of the base. What is L? Slant height.
Yeah.
Are you getting it?
Yep.
Plus B. B is the base area. B is the base area.
Yeah.
What is B? B is the base area. Are you getting it?
Yep.
So not to get confused with this is same only. So for volume, what is the formula? 1 by 3, I told you. 1 by 3 into base area into height. This is what I told you. 1 by 3 pi r square h. How many cylinders, how many cones are there in a cylinder? 3 cones. You just remember this thing. For any pyramid, for any pyramid shape, you think how it is being formed. So pyramid is a structure that came out of prism. So in a prism shape, if you cut it in 3 parts, let us take any prism. Let me show you. So if you remember like this, you will easily remember the formula. So see this. So what I will do, I will cut this part like this. So can you see these 3 different sections? 1, 2nd and 3rd. So what shape will come out of this? It will be pyramid, square pyramid. So the area will be 1/3 of area of base into height. Alright.
Yeah.
So I will recommend you to do these three sheets in IXL. Just do 3 3 4 4 questions. U1, U2, then if you want to go with a prism, then U3, U4, then U5, U6. There are a lot many sheets. For prism, if you want to specify for prism and cylinder, you can do U7. If you want to do for spheres, you can do U9. You can just check it out yourself. So it is in
Okay.
U section. For circle, you can go here and area of a sector you can just see if it is there. Perimeter of polygons in the scribed circle. So if you want to see, you can see W part for circular region. All right.
Yeah.
So you can just go through with yourself. This
Okay.
U sheet. Okay. Watch the video. Watch the video. It will give you all the formula and it will give you how to derive it as well. So
Yeah.
don't mug it up. Just have the formula, have the common sense, read the question, and you can easily do it. You have to apply
Sure.
common sense. That's it. All right.
So, okay.
Bye.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay.